You imagine it. We give you the power to share that vision through your shirts. The shirt will be made out of natural fibers and carbon nanotube threads, and has a fabric-based thermoelectric generator that would convert your body heat to electricity. We then attach a flexible organic light-emitting dye or folded screen through the magnetization of the carbon nanotube threads to the folded screen. All you have to do is select and tap it, and your dream is right there. You can even design your own shirts and sell them. No product has given you the same power and freedom as Sweatshirt.
There's more. By having one or two of these shirts, you'll be able to help Mother Earth. Did you know that the production of the raw materials for the shirts and manufacturing of these shirts requires a lot of energy and water consumption? According to Pamela Ravizio, 22% of 0.3% of the usable water of planet Earth that is readily available to humans are used by the industry. 14.4% of this water consumption is used in the manufacturing process of clothing.
An estimated 17 to 20% of the industrial water pollution comes from textile dyeing and treatment. An estimated 8,000 synthetic chemicals are used throughout the world to turn these raw materials into textiles, many of which will be released into freshwater sources. The use of polyester, a synthetic material, requires 10 times more energy than cotton during production, and 4 times more carbon dioxide is emitted to the atmosphere, which worsens the global warming.
According to the ecologist Mark Brownie, he found that 85% of human-made materials found on shorelines were microfibers, and match the type of materials such as nylon and acrylic used in clothing. This is harmful to the aquatic environment, as numerous studies have shown that small organisms ingest microplastics, introducing pollutants into the food chain, which could lead to ingestion by humans. In fact, a study done by Kubota shows that 62% of synthetic materials were found in the stomach of lancetfish. We could say that Sweatshirt does not only satisfy the customer's needs, it also helps the world in achieving the UN goals of clean water and sanitation, life below water, and has a positive domino effect in achieving good health and well-being and life on land. For sure, this creates a competitive advantage for the company as it revolutionizes the future of the clothing industry. But how do we know it's working? We'll measure it through the number of users using the application, number of units being sold, and the less production of natural and synthetic fibers.
And thus, we welcome you to the future. Sweatshirt would lead the clothing industry in a new realm without restricting the creativity and imagination of the humankind and the sustainable future of the world.